It's fine. That's fine.
It's fucking junk anyway.
No, it's not junk. This is gorgeous up here.
Yeah.
She's a little crusty. Make sure I don't trip and fall on anything. There's our good measure of support. Tires were there just in case, so we didn't die. It may have given us a chance to, you know, get out of the way. Okay, so there's that. This is where the good stuff is. There we go. Long arm kit. Oh, I forgot. He already took everything else home, so. Cross member and all that junk is not in here. Oh, try not to trip on anything here. The giant leaf springs. All the other goods in here. Fender flares, shocks, some hardware. We don't even know what it goes to anymore. Now we got a fan. Perfect. That'll go great in my bathroom.
After taking a monster.